Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. It's the second week of April 2021. You know what that means when it comes to Rolex. On 7 April 2021, Rolex launched a few of their new releases, made some changes to their existing ones, and discontinued some. So, let's check out their updates that they have that I like in their Explorer lines. Meh. Okay, I think we will just focus on the Explorer 2 today. The Rolex Explorer 2 is now referenced 226570. One look at the Explorer 2, you'll probably think that it's no different with the former 216570. However, the new watch has a few decent upgrades that I actually appreciate. Firstly, the 226570 now uses the 3285 automatic caliber movement instead of the older 3187. It now has a 15% improved efficiency, thereby giving it a 70 hours of power reserve due to the use of Rolex chronology escapement and a high capacity barrel. The chronology escapement is made of nickel phosphorus, which makes it insensitive to magnetic interference. The 3285 is also COS certified and has a plus-minus 2 seconds a day accuracy. This also has a higher performance Paraflex shock absorbers. The Explorer 2 features the same polar and black dial with a slight difference. One of the noticeable differences is at the 6 o'clock. The older watch only has the word Swiss made printed in between the indexes and the minute track, whereas the newer watch now has the words Swiss made pushed all the way down and has a coronet in between the two words. The hands and indexes are all in white gold. However, they are all painted in black on the polar dial. The older watch has a glossy paint on them. The newer watch now has a matte coating instead, which helps to improve legibility. The hands on the black dial now no longer has any spread of black on them as seen here. The lume used on the newer watch has optimized chromolight display, which helps with a longer lasting glow at night, and a brighter white hue during the day, which also helps with legibility. The newer watch is also blessed with a redesigned oyster case and bracelet. The 226570 maintains its 42mm diameter, has a 12mm thickness, 15mm lug to lug, a 22mm lug width which tapers down to 17mm to the clasps. Evidently, the newer watch has thinner lugs. This oyster lock floating safety clasp is also equipped with the 5mm Easy Link, which allows the wearer to easily adjust the bracelet length by approximately 5mm. So, which do you prefer? The 216570 or the 226570? Let us know at the comments below. To support me in making more videos like this, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you won't miss any of my videos, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.